If you want to cancel your Google Drive storage subscription, I'll show you the easiest way to do it step by step. First of all, open your preferred browser on your laptop and go to drive.google.com. Then make sure you're logged into your Google account. After that, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and then go into Manage your Google account. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on Payments and Subscription. Here, you will see a list of all active subscriptions linked to your account. Now, I'm on a demo account, so I don't have any active subscriptions, but if you do, you will see your Google Drive storage plan listed here. Click on the subscription you want to cancel, then click Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Your subscription will remain active until the end of current billing cycle and you won't be charged for the next month. And that's all. That's how you can cancel your Google Drive storage subscription from your laptop quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.